Okay, I will never do that again. Never again. Done. What? Paul has been sitting there. You good there? All right. Hello, Paul. How you doing, Marcella? All right.
Why is it so cold?
The weather outside,
You don't have air conditioning?
we have air conditioning. You want heat, huh?
Oh.
Ready to go. Hello, Kayla.
Hi. What the fuck? Hello.
Yeah.
We gonna have class today?
Are we going to have class today?
There's nobody in the class.
I know, I don't really understand that, but usually they show up. Hello, Mr. Ferguson.
So I'm not gonna be in here today, I am gonna log on, but they need you.
Kayla, we're just here a bit early, that's all.
Not really. Class, well, maybe. Yeah, you know what? I did open the class 5 minutes early today. Hello, Allie. Hello, Lachey. Allie, I've noticed we're having another one of those Allie Atkins quarters, huh? Getting lazy again? Hey, Lachey. That's where the overflow goes. Like if there's students, if there are teachers that aren't here today, they're going in there. Yeah. Hello, Jaden. Jaden, did you all right getting the rest of your problems figured out?
I'm doing better.
All right,
If I struggle, I'll make sure I come back next Tuesday.
that's what I'm talking about. Or like tomorrow.
I'm going to South Carolina. That's why.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to see my grandma tomorrow.
Say hi to her for me.
I will.
Sweet. Hello, Niani. Hello, Javon. Hello, Mandy. Hello, Donovan. Hello, Cornell. Hello, Sanaya. Hello, Mr. Ferguson.
Hello, Mr. Weiss.
Hello. Hello, Jay Sean.
What's good, Mr. Wise?
What's good? Hello, Perla. A Mexican magician tells the audience he will disappear on the count of three. He says, uno, dos, and poof. He disappeared without a trace. Fighting for peace is like screwing for virginity. A ghost walked into a bar and ordered a shot of vodka. The bartender said, sorry, we don't serve spirits here. The man who invented knock-knock jokes should get a Nobel Prize. I bought the world's worst thesaurus yesterday. Not only is it terrible, it's also terrible. A blind man walked into a bar and a table and a chair. That's mean. A Freudian slip is when you mean one thing and you mean your mother. I went to a seafood disco last week, but ended up pulling a muscle. The first time I got a universal remote control, I thought to myself, this changes everything. How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. Oh, Jason.
You
Alrighty
shoot
then.
both guns, nigga. Yeah.
What?
I fall off mute.
Nope. All right. No worries. Okay. So I think some people were struggling with the last assignment. And I would say that's because they didn't write down the formulas I asked them to write down. So I'm going to ask you, I'm going to make your life really easy here. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have you take out your phone and take a picture of this page here. I'm created a formulas area sheet, area formula sheet. Formula for area of a square, of a rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, regular polygon, and a circle. So take a picture of this, get your phone out, take a picture. Oh, sorry, I meant to. Yes. You two can take a picture on the screen if that works for you. Okay. Let me get this off of here. All right. If you want to like get up closer to take a better picture, you could do that. Okay. All right. So here we go. So now, once again, we're going to find the area. Okay. So now you can refer to your phone, the picture you just took on your phone. The area of a square, all right, that's a square. So you look at your phone and it says area of a square, what's that? Oh, that's side times side. Oh, so area is side times side. Okay, area equals side times side. So area equals, in this case, 7 times 7. Area equals 49 miles squared, or square miles. Now, today's assignment, you're only going to be able to type the number. You will not be typing square miles. So today you will just write, in fact, you won't even say A equals. Still writing it? You will just type 49. And that will be your answer today. Okay? Of course, if it's easier, you can take a picture too. Got it? Here is a rectangle, right? So now we look back at our phone for the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width, or base times height. Okay. Area equals length times width. Area equals 9 times 4. Area equals 36 square centimeters. On today's assignment, you will just answer with a number,
Seems simple
36,
enough.
right? Simple enough so far, right? So if it's simple enough, which I would agree, what about this situation? Here, we're going to find the missing piece. All right. Once again, this is a square. The area of a square equals side times side. So now, in this case, you're given the area. So you put 64 in for area because area is 64. You were given that number. Equals 8 times question mark. I'm going to call the question mark N. So 64 equals 8N. I'm going to divide by 8. And I get N, very good, equals 8. Thank you, Marcella. Okay. Your answer today on today's assignment will just be 8. You won't type N equals or anything like that. Okay. Over here, same idea. Once again, area equals length times width. Area is 18. You're given 18. So underneath area, you write 18. Okay. Length, we're looking for L times 3. Width is 3. So I'm going to say 18 equals 3L. I'm going to divide by 3. L equals 6. On your assignment today, you will just be typing the number. Six inches equals L, but then again, in your assignment, you will just type 6. Very good, Jashan. Thank you, Mr. Ferguson. Very good. 6. Can I have a thumbs up if everyone's okay so far? If you're okay so far, can I have a thumbs up? Thank you, DeAndre. Mr. Ferguson, thank you. Jaden, Gordon, thank you. Cornell, Donovan, Jasmine, Jay, Sean, Mandy, Jaden, Niani, thank you. Thank you very much. Very good. Next. Here is a parallelogram. We look at our phone of the picture we took, and bada bing, bada boom, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. All righty. Base times height. So area equals base times height. So area equals 9 times 7. Area equals 63 square yards. On your assignment today, you will just type the number. Just the number. 63 will be your answer. Okay? Trapezoid. Once again, we look at our formula sheet. The area of a trapezoid is average of the bases times the height. Average of the bases times the height. Average of the bases times the height. Okay, so area. How do you find the average of the two bases? Well, it's the average of 3 and 11. Meaning, is the base 11? It's one of the bases. The other one is 3. So which one do we use? Do we use 11 or do we use 3? We use both of them, Paul. Both. Both. We take the average of the two numbers. What's the average of 11 and 3? What we do is we take 11 plus 3, which is 14, and divide it by 2 times 6. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 times 6. (42 square centimeters). On today's assignment, you will just type 42. Okay, very good, Jay Sean. Find the missing measurement. Okay. Once again, area of a parallelogram. Area equals base times height. You're given the area. The area is 132. Equals base, you're given the base, 12, but you're not given h. Ah, okay. So 132 equals 12h divided by 12. I believe the answer is 11. 132 divided by 12 is 11. Okay. On your assignment today, you will just type the number 11. Okay, I'm glad it was easy, but it's 11, not 12. All right. Oh man, how are we gonna find the other base? Whoa. Well, area equals the average of the bases. Times height. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take something plus 2 divided by 2. Actually, I'm not going to write A. I already have the area. The area is 25. 25 equals something plus 2 divided by 2 times 5. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this whole mess here and divide by 5. Divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So now what divided by 2 is 5? Would you agree? Let me ask you this. Would you agree that 10 divided by 2 equals 5? Right? So this number here has to add up to 10. What plus 2 is 10? 8. Answer is 8. On your assignment today, it will just be the number 8. Good job, Deshaun. All right. Find the area of the regular polygon. What is this? I'm going to go to my handy dandy formulas page. Area of a polygon is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Apothem, what's that? That guy is the apothem. Oh. Area equals 1/2 times the apothem times perimeter. Area equals 1/2 A times P. All right. So the area equals 1/2. What's the apothem? The apothem is 11. What's the perimeter? How many sides are there? We got to count the sides. Ooh, all right, I'm going to count the sides. Here we go.
9.
1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times what? 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. So it's 1/2 of 11 times 72. Okay. I'm going to do 0.5, which is 1/2, times 11 times 72 equals 396. Okay. On your assignment today, it will just be plain 396. No need to say A equals. All right. What? Area equals 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Area equals 1/2. What's the apothem? 4. What's the perimeter? 14 times 3. 14 times 3 is 42. If you do 1/2 times 4 times 42, you will get area equals 84. Your answer will be just plain 84. Go back real quick. You want to see this problem, DeAndre? Is that what you wanted to see?
Yeah, I already took a photo. I'll write it
You
down.
good? Okay. Are you good with this one?
Yep, took a photo of that as well.
All right. Fabulous. Oh my goodness. One more time. Area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Area equals 1/2 13 times, what's the perimeter? Oh man, how many sides are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 15 is 90. 15 times 6 is 90. So what is 1/2? Let's say 0.5 times 13 times 90. 585. For today, you're just going to type 585 in for your answer. Okay? One more polygon. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This was 6 sides. Now we got 5 sides. All right. Area equals 1/2 A times P. Area equals 1/2. What's the apothem? 11. What's the perimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 times 5. 16 times 5 is 80. Okay. So I'm going to do 0.5 times 11 times 80. 440. Without a calculator, you should use, whoops, a daisy. Okay. Very good, Jayshawn. All right, next. A circle, what's the area of a circle? I'm going to use my formulas page. Area of a circle is pi times radius, or pi r squared. Pi are round, pi aren't square. Okay, pi r squared. And we're going to use 3.14 for pi. Okay. So area equals pi r squared. R stands for the radius. So A equals 3.14 times 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. 3.14 times 16. What is 3.14 times 16? 50.24. Okay. One more. Area of a circle. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 8 squared. 8 squared is 64, so I'm going to do 3.14 times 64. 3.14 times 64 equals 200.96. Square meters. Once again, on your assignment today, you will just write 200.96 or whatever your answer is. Okay. All right. Let me show you today what your assignment's going to look like. It's going to be different than you've seen in the past. I'm doing some, I don't know if you've ever used quizzes before, but I'm going to give you an assignment on quizzes. Right? Because this one gives you, it tells you what problems you got wrong, but it doesn't give you the right answer. Okay. If necessary, right, you will have to click on the picture in order to see the picture better. Okay. So here, for example, you'll do 18 times 18, and you'll just put your number answer in for the answer box. Okay. All right.
What's the
Sorry,
code, Mr.
Marcel.
Mr.
All right.
Wise? Is there a code for it?
Is there a what?
A code. It says we need a code.
Really? All right. How about this? If you click on this, if you click on that link there in the chat, Hopefully that'll work. Does that say you need a code?
Yeah, it worked.
Okay. Please start the game. It says game, but it's your little quiz for today. Okay. I would say so. There's just 12 questions today.
Dang.
Sorry, Marcella. All right, tonight, if you got it done, hold on 1 second tonight. Before you go, you may.
That's why I find out 100 in here.
No, because you are capable. All right, so Sanaya, just so we're clear, did you see what score you got? Because you can redo it. You can fix the ones you
They
got
told
wrong.
me which ones I write
What?
in my school. They just told me like how many I got correct.
Oh, so it told you got 8 out of 12 correct?
But I'll redo it.
Okay, do you know which ones you got correct? It's supposed to tell you which ones you got correct and which ones you, I mean, when you see a green, when it comes up green, that means you get it right. If you get red, that means you got it wrong. Has that been happening?
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So I only want you to basically redo the ones you got wrong. So I'm thinking it would be best if you like wrote down, and I'm saying this to everybody, you should write down your answers. So if you get it right, you don't have to redo the ones you got right. Okay?
Excuse me, Mr. Weiss.
Yo,
It's giving me the pi formula, but it's not giving me anything to do with it. It's find the area and square units, use 3.144 pi. You will get a decimal answer, and it says enter it without with the decimal answer, and yeah, it doesn't give me anything to use with it.
what?
It's pretty much all just words except for 3.14 pi.
Use 3.14 for pi, yes. What-
Yes, but it's not giving me anything. It says type your answer. There's nothing to.
Oh, use your formulas sheet. You took you took a picture of it, remember?
Yeah.
No, you're on quizzes. Okay, so here, are you, wait, if you go to your grade book, the latest assignment, and click on it, you should be able to click on the assignment. It'll take you, it should take you right there. Tell me if it does not.
So, that's like,
Yes,
remember that thing you did, like, the other one? That had the boxes, like, let's say 5, 6, and 18. Like, what would that mean, like? What would I do for that thing, because I forgot. Okay, but I do something to ask you, you know.
right? Go to your formula, the picture you took. the formula sheet. Okay, can you make that bigger? Can't make that bigger?
No,
The area equals average of the bases times the height. Right? You know how to do average of the bases times the height?
yeah, 9 plus 12.
No. What are the bases? Are the bases 9 and 12?
No, 12 and 6.
12 and 6. The bases are 12 and 6. Now times, how do you find average? Okay. Now times, how do you find average?
Divided.
By 2, right? By 9, how many bases? Are there 9 bases? How many bases?
2, it's not.
It's getting you started.
What?
That was just the average of the bases. You gotta multiply it by the height. You didn't multiply it by the height. Okay? Hey, Jackson, today is a special day for those of you who don't know. Today's Jackson's birthday. Jackson, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Marcella. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Which one of your problems has no picture there, Mandy?
It's number 11. It just doesn't, it has the like problem, but it doesn't have a picture.
Is it the same one for pi?
Yeah, it's one of the ones for pi.
That's the one I was talking about, Mr. Weiss.
Oh, are you telling me that I gave you a problem that doesn't have
A problem, yes. The problem doesn't have a problem. It just has,
Problem doesn't have a problem.
it's pretty much you telling us, you know,
Yeah, I get
that
it.
for
I
pi.
get it. Son of a businessel. Okay. Okay. I'm going to fix that. Let me fix that. Let me just tell you for number 11, wait a second. Number 11. The radius is 17 feet. Number 11, the radius is 17 feet. In the meantime, I'm going to fix that. I was up very late last night doing this. Can you tell me now, Jay Sean, if you see a picture for number 11 now?
I'm redoing it now. Give me a second, please.
Okay. All right. So, on this one, right, what's your formula, right? Average of the bases times the height, right? So 28 equals the average of the bases times the height. So what's the average of the bases? 11 plus 3 is, divided by 2 is, times what equals 28? All right. Yes, Sanaya, you're good to go. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
No, it still didn't pop up.
It still didn't pop up? All right, just do radius equals 17, okay? Use radius equals 17. All right, Jasmine. All right, Jasmine, if you're happy with an 11 out of 12, you're good to go.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, Jayshawn. Jayshawn, you got a 12 out of 12. You got 100. You're good to go. Okay, DeAndre, could you just do a circle with radius of 17?
So it's 17.
17 is the radius, yes.
I gotcha.
Okay. Oh, I know why it didn't work. I didn't click publish. See? That's why I gotta say no to drugs. Yes, Miss Pierce. Polygon, any regular polygon, 1/2 A times P, 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter.
All right, I finished.
You finished. Uh, I think you should try again, Dre. Did you see how many you got wrong there?
7 correct and 5 incorrect.
Yeah, I would try and redo those 5.
All right, I'll retry it.
Sounds like a good idea. Jason, I said you use 3.14 for pi. Okay, Jason, one more time. I'm gonna show this to you again. I asked you to take a picture of it. You don't like to listen, but whatever. I asked you to take a picture of this.
On my phone.
You're on your phone?
It's in my phone.
Okay, well, where's your laptop?
You're on the laptop.
Where's your laptop?
What are you talking about?
You said you're on your phone.
I said the picture. I have the picture in my phone.
Okay, do you see at the very bottom, it says area of a circle?
Yeah.
Okay, you use that formula. Instead of pi, you use 3.14. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Thank you. Marcella, you just trying to get the picture of that thing? Here, you want to just take a picture of mine? Or do you have, is it up? Set? All right. All right. You can redo this assignment as many times as you want until you get a 12 out of 12. Okay. I'm going to close today's meeting. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Bye, Ms. Ferguson. Bye, all. See you, Marcella. Bye, Paul.